Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Spectrum Advanced Wi-Fi 7 router in 2026. So whether it is a new connection or a replacement router, this setup is going to work for most of the Spectrum homes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to connect the hardware. So you need to take an Ethernet cable and connect one end of the Spectrum modem and the other end of it to the yellow internet port on the Wi-Fi 7 router. Now you need to plug in the router's power adapter and you just have to simply turn it on. After turning it on, simply wait for 3 to 5 minutes until the lights stabilize. Now you need to set up the Wi-Fi. So on your phone, you just have to simply download the My Spectrum application. When you open the app, you just have to sign in with the help of your Spectrum account. The application will automatically detect your new Wi-Fi 7 router. So you just have to simply tap on the option of setup. So once you just do that, you just have to follow further on-screen steps. You just have to create the new Wi-Fi name. After that, you just have to create a Wi-Fi password. So after providing these details, you just have to make sure that you save them. Then simply the router will apply them and restart once. After that, you just have to reconnect your device using the new Wi-Fi name and the password, and your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router will be fully set up. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.